In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a learner's permit in Washington State. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, we need to first start by pre-applying online. So start by filling out a pre-application online. This gives you a learner's permit number and speeds up the whole process at the licensing office. So we can check that out by going over here. So if we go to Google, type in how to get learner's permit in Washington State, click on the first link here from dol.wa.gov, learner permit application. Now that's going to bring you onto this website here. Now click onto that and then fill that out. Then after that, we've got two main options. So option one is to enroll in a driver training course, or option two is learn without a course. Now, if you're going to go with option one by enroll in a driver training course, you must be at least 15 years of age and sign up for approved driver training program. The school will confirm your enrollment with the state. Fill out the learner's permit application online shortly before your course starts. If under 18, a parent or guardian must be given permission. Pay the permit fee. Now, the option two is learn without a course. So you must be at least 15 years of age. Take a knowledge test at a testing location. Fill out the online permit application once you pass. Parental permission is required if under 18, and then pay that permit fee again. Now, once you've done either one of those, we need to gather all required documents. So these documents include proof of identity, like a birth certificate or a passport, your social security number, a proof of Washington residency, like a utility bill or school record, and documents showing parental or guardian relationship if under 18. Now, complete the application. So go ahead and create an online account or log in to submit your application. Then from there, simply schedule an appointment at a licensing office if needed. Ensure a parent or guardian gives permission if under 18. Step 5, get your permit. So visit the licensing office. If a photo is required, your permit will usually arrive in the mail in 1 to 2 weeks. From there, you can start driving on public roads once you have that permit, but you must be accompanied by a licensed driver with at least 5 years of driving experience. Now, there are some notes as well. So learner permits are valid for 1 year and can be renewed twice. If you need to practice driving and live away from a parent or guardian, another responsible adult can provide permission under certain rules.